Why not it's what good? It should be good because you studied well. Just that you have not given the mock exam in the class, that was other thing. But still you did well. Okay. Okay. तो अब की बार कॉन्फिडेंस है तो एलिन that this time you will be able to score proper marks. Because what we can do, we can just study properly in structured manner so that the result outcome will be good. Okay, no issue. Now, as you all know, in the first 1 hour, I will be saying all the system because there are many new students also, Muhammad, Jyoti and all that. Maybe they don't know the paper structure and everything. So, first 1 hour I will be taking to explain how the classes will be done, the procedure, the syllabus completion, what you all need to do, from where you can study, what should be your study time, total time required to pass the exam and all that. Before proceeding, personally if you ask me, according to me, this is the easiest subject in entire 13 subjects. You will say why. Obviously, I will not say anything without logic. If we are doing a numerical paper, FM, PM, or you can say FR, then numericals, whatever level of numericals we solve, we always find that at the time of exam, thoda kam reh gaya. Some ceiling mistake done, time pressure is there and all that. Auditing के अंदर क्या है? It's an open-ended subject. Even though some technical areas are there which we need to read 2-3 times, but then open-ended subject है तो कहीं कहीं पर when the questions are more essay type, we are not able to write properly. Happens. ये subject दोनों के बीच में. The technical areas are there which are not open type, which are fixed. And if you understand technical area, you don't need to remember. Automatically you will be able to remember. In auditing, if technical areas are there, you need to remember. But in taxation, if the technical areas are there, if the logics are cleared, you don't need to remember. And like FR, PM and FM exam, it will not be a time pressure exam. You will be finding that you are able to complete the paper properly in 3 hours. If you see the number of topics, then in taxation the number of topics are maximum. Because in any subject of skill level, the number of topics are 20-22. But here the number of topics I think around 25, 26 or 27 topics. Because of that, generally the students in the market or anybody thinks that it is a very lengthy subject just because the index that the number of topics are very high. But since I have already taught taxation subject 3 times, this is the 4th batch for taxation. Up till 3 times I have always taught for March batch. That means March, I think 19, 20, 21. All the 3 terms I taught taxation batch. And now this time I am not taking March, I am taking June 2022 batch. When we did the batches in the last 3 terms, in last 3 years for taxation, I found that even though the syllabus is very lengthy, but it takes around 19 to 20 classes to complete the syllabus. And comprehensively. Not that I am in a haphazard manner, want to complete the course, not clearing the doubts and all that. Mota moti maximum 20 classes are more than enough. And if you count from today, we are having around 23, 24 classes, which we can easily do by June end, or you can say, I mean to say May end or June first week. So we are having 3-4 classes leeway also without any tension. I am talking about 20 classes along with the mock paper, along with the revision. So normally we have already 3-4 classes extra. So there is no tension that we will not be able to complete the syllabus. Just one commitment required from everybody. Only regular study. If you regularly study, as I said in the auditing, that maybe the students will be scoring world rank. इसमें तो जरूर आ जाएगा यार. Because since this is the easiest subject, even though technical, but the logics are there in the technical. It is not like FR, PM and FM, where the time pressure and all that you will feel Once you solve some of the questions, read the notes, prepare properly, you will be feeling 500% confident in taxation exam. And I will say that the way they are taking the exam and the way the exams are taken in India for BCom or maybe for taxation exams in Indian courses, the tax structure, exam structure is not good, but this is very simple exam. So believe me, if you regularly attend the classes live, not only the first class, take a oath or take a commitment that I will be attending live class anyhow. Even though I am not well, even though in the family there is some problem or issue, but I will be attending live classes regularly. And I will be following the instructions, I will be following the guidance, then there will not be any problem to pass the exam. Actually, not only passing, getting the confidence and scoring good marks. Okay, this is the first thing I want to say to everybody, which is a genuine realization from my way in the last so many years when I am teaching ACCA, that taxation is the easiest subject. Looking at the study material, the syllabus will look vast. But then once you understand the concept, the whole thing can be covered, can be read, can be studied in very fast-paced manner. Because it's all understandable just by reading. Okay? Now, as in ACCA, all the skill level, there are 3 parts except auditing, I will say. That is part A, part B, and part C. 100 marks paper, part A, part B, part C. Part A, 30 marks. Part B, 30 marks. And part C, 30 marks. This is the story. This is objective type question, no working. It is not multiple choice, objective type, filling the blanks, match the following, this, that like other papers. 15 questions, 2 marks each, which is 30 marks. If the question is difficult, then also 2 marks. If the question is easy, then also 2 marks. Every question is of 2 marks. That means 15 into 2, 30 marks. This is 3 scenario-based questions for every scenario. For every scenario, 5 questions. This is also objective type questions. So this is also coming to 15 into 2. No working. On the basis of one story, 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph story, they will be asking 5 objective type question. Again another story, they will be asking 5 objective type question. Again another story, they will be asking 5 objective type question. No working, nothing, you just need to do it correct. No solution required, just no working required, just that you need to be correct. So that is 15 into 2, 30 marks. And then here slightly changes are there in taxation. 10 marks, 15 marks into 2, which is essay type. Essay type questions, where you need to show all the working, where all the workings are essential. It will be in Excel or in Word, depending upon requirement. If the question involves numericals, they will be giving Excel sheet. If the question involves theory, then in that case Word file. Sorry, I said wrong. 40 marks, 10 marks, then 15 marks into 2. Normally in 40 marks in all the papers except auditing, there are 2 questions of 20 marks, 20 marks. But here there are 3 questions, 10 marks, 15 marks, 15 marks. So that is total 40 marks. And to pass, as we know, or if somebody knew, we need to score 50. To pass, we need to score 50 marks. Out of 100, 50 marks. For getting a feeling, I am taking you to institute website, accaglobal.com. Then the category is students. Under student, study support resources. Under study support resources, ACCA qualification. Under ACCA qualification, taxation, tax subject. Under taxation, the syllabus and all that are written. I am going into Institute Practice Platform. Under Institute Practice Platform, we need to use our ID and password. So only the registered ACCA student can log in here. You need to use your ID and password, then only you can log in. Once you log in, then it is taking you to a separate window. In that separate window, right hand side, all the 15 subjects are there. We are concerned with taxation. Under taxation, the blank space I am not opening, you can check later. Blank space. Now in the taxation, there are so many variants. We are concerned with UK variant. We are concerned with UK variant, UK taxation variant. So many variants. Indian variant is not there. Maybe in future it will come or not, I don't know. But the UK variant. In the UK variant, ACCA official resources. In the ACCA official resources, past exam library, 3 papers are there. Practice exam, 2 papers are there. Specimen exam, 1 paper is there. That means in total, past exam library, 3 papers. Practice exam, 2 papers, and specimen 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 papers are there. This specimen exam is full 100 marks. Practice exam is full 100 marks. But this past exam library, these are not full 100 marks. These are partial out of 100 marks. Maybe part A or B, maybe part C only, don't know. Suppose I am opening this. This is already assigned, but if I am clicking assign, then in the left hand side, I will be able to see the taxation. Taxation past and practice exams. I am concerned. 1 second. Where each taxation? Tax UK specimen. In the left hand side, when I assign, right hand side, left hand side, I will be able to see this. They are saying start the paper. Yes, I am interested in starting. Not for solving, but for just getting the feeling. Those who have never given ACCA exams, they are starting their journey from now. When you will be in the exam hall, whether you give exam in exam center, whether you give exam by sitting in home, the first page will be this only wherever you give exam. It's a computer based exam, no pen and paper. Whether you give exam by sitting in home, remote basis, whether you give exam in exam center, this is the first page will open. It is writing instructions. Those who are first time, those who are studying the first subject, then they should be reading these instructions. When? Today only, before the next class. No excuse for this. You can't start asking the question at the time of exam, sir, kaise hota hai, kya hota hai? That is not allowed. So they are saying part A, 15 questions of 2 marks each. Section B, which is 3 scenario based at 2 marks each, 5 into 2, 10 questions. Section C, 3 questions, 10 marks and 15 marks of 2 questions. That they are saying. Then they are saying, do you want to start? Section A, do you want to start? I am saying, yes, I want to start. So in the button, in the tab, I am clicking next. For that reason, I am getting this next. Now it is giving me the part A, first question, which is an objective type. I can select this. If I will select this, automatically this is selected. This is one type, multiple choice. The second type, I think this is not multiple choice. They are asking which 2 are correct. Or maybe which of the following are correct. Maybe 3 are correct. This is second style. Third style, filling the blanks. Fourth style, this is also multiple choice, I think. Multiple choice. Then the Fifth, this is also multiple choice. Then sixth, this is select out of so many. Can be a multiple choice set, but slightly different presentation. Then this is again multiple choice. Then this is filling the blanks again. Then this is, you can say this one exempt, this one non-exempt, this one exempt, this one exempt, whatever. This is another style. For that reason, we don't say these are multiple choice questions. We say that it is an objective type question exam. For first 15 questions, 2 marks each. Now suppose I am not liking this part, I am interested in the exam to go in the part B straight away. To go in part B, then I will click navigator. In the navigator, I can go in entire paper in any question wherever I like. It's not that I need to start the paper from the first question. Suppose I am in section B. I want to do section B question 16 first. Now in section B also objective type. First of all, in the left hand side there is a scenario. This scenario is used for 5 questions. On the basis of this scenario, one question you can adjust your screen. Till the time you don't complete see entire question, they will not allow you on the basis of same scenario, second question. These are also objective type. Maybe multiple choice, maybe 2 options are correct. I'm not selecting on the basis of same, the third question. On the basis of same scenario, the fourth question. On the basis of same scenario, the fifth question. This is again select. Anyone we can select. Now when you go further, this is second scenario. In the second scenario based, again there are 5 questions. Suppose I am not liking this also. I want to do in the exam the section C. Section C, 31 number question. They are saying you are not allowed, first of all, complete seeing the site. Okay, sorry bhai, I have not completed. Now 31 number. Now you can see in the left hand side there is a scenario written, story written, and on the basis of that there are questions. There is point number A, 8 marks question, and this question I think numerical. For that reason they have given you Excel sheet. You will be writing here in the columns, figures and all that, plus minus whatever is required. Okay, this is on the basis of the scenario 8 marks question, but on the basis of scenario there will be 10 marks question, na? So 2 marks given further. So on the basis of same scenario, 2 marks theory. You will be typing here theory. When you type, entire window features are not there, even not required also. The basic cut, copy, paste, bold, italics and all that. Those who have given exam, they know that koi kaam nahi aata hai. Chup chap write karna hai. You don't have time to bold, italics and all that. Unless and until you are very, I can say, very fast in typing. That's other thing. Adjustments and all that, wo sab hai. Basic features. But I generally feel that those who are giving exam 99.99% not using any feature. Just they are typing the answer. Then the next question, 15 marks. This is 15 marks out of 13 marks based on this scenario. Again, there are calculations. So they have given Excel. This is a different Excel than normal Excel. Here you cannot add or delete column and row. Whatever column rows are there, you need to work on that only. You can't add separate column. You can't delete column and rows. So it is slightly different. Student need to practice on this. Then again on the basis of the same scenario, 2 marks theory and all that. This entire paper we need to solve in 3 hours in exam. Actually 3 hours 15 minutes. 15 minutes will be used for instruction purpose, which I showed earlier. They will be taking you through the everything, what you can do, what you cannot do. That is given 15 minutes extra to the students. And then after that, the paper start, which need to be completed in 3 hours. On the top, the timer will be running. Once 3 hours is over, you automatically, whatever you have written will be submitted. On the top, there are symbols. Symbols means dollar, euro, pound, yen. Major currencies are written here. But normally in the taxation exam, everything will be pound because we have selected UK taxation. Then there is a highlighter. Suppose this portion I want to highlight. I can click highlight. For highlight, there are different colors. किसी को काम आता नहीं है, but the features are there. Then strike through means this portion is not relevant. I don't want to read it again. Strike through. Then calculator, even though you can take your physical calculator, but there is an screen calculator, scientific, standard, both the calculators are there. If the student don't want to use their own physical calculator, they can use on screen calculator. Scratch pad working, rough working, you can do any calculations, anything here, but examiner will not be checking this. Examiner will be checking your write up here only. In scratch pad, rough working you can do, but examiner is not going to check. When you will be giving exam by sitting in home, remote basis, because of corona they have allowed for last 2 years. And I have suggested them that this should be continued for next 2 terms, because we don't know what will be the situation of corona after 3 months. But I advised everybody in the class in the last batch that you should be booking center based exam, because the corona pressure was not that much. Still my advice is same, looking at today. Even today we don't have to fill up the exam form, but abhi ka jo situation hai, we should be booking in exam center. But if you give exam from home, let me finish, Suman. If exams, agar ghar se exam denge, there is no rough page and all that you can't use. You have to do rough working here on the scratch pad only. आपको यहीं पर करना होएगा. But if you are going in the exam center, you can ask them for the rough paper and all that you can do working. So in the exam hall, rough paper, pen is allowed for rough working. Even answer is this only on the screen. But normally आपको घर पे scratch pad के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. When you are sitting in home giving exam, a laptop or a computer, keyboard, a water bottle, transparent, nothing else. पूरा टेबल पे कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. They will be clicking the photos back, forward, this, that, out, and they will not allow to, if you are saying at this place for say 30 seconds, they will cancel the exam. Because there is something you are doing. It should be a closed room and all that. The conditions are very stringent. And at the same time, when you are giving exam by sitting in home, internet, electricity, power, everything, your lookout. It's that way, not tension. If your exam is not complete by sitting in home, they will not charge you, they will refund you the money, but then your 3 months will be lost. So if the corona problems are not there, giving the exam in the exam center is advisable. But if the corona issue is very high, then taking your life risk is not advisable. Give the exam in the home only. But मैं always advise करता हूँ exam in the exam center. But the institute are developing their system. वैसे this time, there are so many students gave exam from home. And on one particular day, I think Wednesday, many faced problem. There was huge problem. Earlier also in one term when the student faced problem, even though the student passed the exam, institute refunded 50% exam fees because of the pressure. But they said me around 1 week back only that they are going to robust the home-based system, and maybe from the next term, the home-based system will be much better. But मेरे को पता नहीं है कितना better होगा, because I am not a technical person. I will say, if the corona issues are not there, giving exam in the exam center is always advisable. If the corona issues are there, then give the exam by sitting in home. Yes, Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad. The exams are, I will say that for general queries, if you all at least see the video, I am copying the video, which I took the webinar. Still, I will be saying your answer, YouTube. I took the webinar just 3 days back, last week. That webinar is freely uploaded on YouTube, on Prakash Saraf official YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is better, because whenever any development or anything need to be communicated to the public, then this is the webinar which I took around 5-6 days back.
Hey, I don't have to travel to my school.
Now, I am pasting this video link. You can see this video, it is telling you everything relating to ACCA. Exam, fees, structure, this, that, everything. But still, the exams are quarterly basis. quarterly basis, which is March, June, September, December, all beginning. So if a student give exam in March and they couldn't qualify, then in that case they can give exam again in June. For March exam result will be in April, for June exam in July, for September exam in October, for December exam in January. Around mid of January, mid 15th to 28th, between 15th to 28th. So after around 35-40 days, they bring out the results. So if suppose we are giving exam in June, the last date to fill up the exam form, last date to fill up the exam form, April end, July end, October end, and Jan end. Why end? Because if somebody has given exam in March, result will be coming around 15th or 20th of April, couldn't qualify. He need to book the exam again for June. So result is coming 15th or 20th of April. You can book the exam form by end of April. So you are getting the time further 15 days to book the exam for the next term. So for that reason, the results come 15 days earlier, and the student, those who couldn't qualify, they can again give exam. But then I'm not liking this question, because I generally don't want to discuss failures. I don't want to demotivate myself or anybody, because I started with a positive note in the beginning, that this is a simple subject, easy to pass and all that. So we are going in the wrong direction, because if we think negative, definitely negative will come. Obviously, if we think positive, then the positive will not come automatically, but we need to work for positivity. So according to me, अगर टैक्स एग्जाम में कोई फेल होता है, बहुत खराब बात है, worst, because it's a simple subject, and why we are thinking about failing the exam, retaking the exam? Don't think along those lines. Be optimistic. Maybe you have not studied for so many years. Give everything to me. Follow my instructions. My responsibility to make you pass. That I can say. But if you don't do the instructions, don't follow, don't study, then the problem will arise, which happens with 50% student. They join the class, first, second class, not study, not able to answer, not doing any regular study. When I'm saying do this, they don't do, they don't give exam. What I will do? The question is that if you follow the instructions, it's my responsibility to make everybody pass the exam. But then you need to follow me. So I don't want to discuss negative things, okay? Because I don't like. I am a positive person, optimistic person, always want to discuss optimistic things, okay? But still, if anybody want to know more about ACCA, cost, this, that, duration, in the webinar, I said everything. You all can see the webinar. I have already pasted this webinar detail here. You will say that, sir, how I will get this? Let me finish. Then you all can raise the question. When whatever the question are there, I will finish that. Then we start study, okay? So, as I said already just now, students should be booking the exam center basis. We will be booking the exam around 28th of April. I will again remind all of you. When the result for March exam will come, on that day I will remind, now book the exam on the next day only. You can book now also. There is no problem. But just that, the exam can be booked for June term by end of April. Abhi kya hai ki we have not studied anything. Let's get some confidence. Study something. Let's analyze that the subject is easy. Follow the instructions. Then in that case, you will be feeling confident of giving the exam in June. At that time, we will be filling up the exam form. But if somebody fill up the exam form now, then the charges are slightly 200, 300 INR less. Because there is an early entry, there is a medium entry, and there is a high level entry. Even after April, for 7 days in May, we can book the exam. But the fees will be more than double. Exam fees will be more than double. Now you will say, what is the exam fees? I have said everything in the video. You can go, you can search the websites. You will be able to understand. Because we need to study. We cannot discuss what is ACCA course here. Okay? Now, the next thing. We are going to have classes Tuesday, Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You will say that, sir, when you send the schedule, then you write 9:45, 10. And when you were writing here, teaching, then बिकॉज क्या होता है कि व्हेन आई विल से टू द वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स कि भाई दैट 10:30 तक चलेगा, तो पहले ही डांस करने लग जाते हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट देन यू ऑलवेज हैव सीन दैट आई नेवर स्टॉप द क्लास बिफोर 10. I always take it 10, 10, 10, 20 and all that. In place of keeping so many classes, why not study 10, 20 minutes extra? So if you cannot manage because of the office pressure or anything, you can leave earlier, 10, 20, 30 minutes earlier. You will be anyhow getting the recordings of every class through the software. You can do the recordings because even though if you do the live class, then also you have to do the recordings. Because what I say always, which I will say again, but now I will not type that. I will just copy paste what I written in the yesterday class. SBR. This is the yesterday class slides. Up till here, I am copy pasting to save my time. This I am 1 second deleting. Here it is written Monday, Wednesday. I am making this Tuesday, Friday. जो भी बैच we did last batch auditing, in which class I did absent. Tuesday, Friday जब क्लास होती है तो क्या आपको याद आता है कि मैंने कोई एक क्लास में भी एब्सेंट किया था कि क्लास इज नॉट देयर? अद्रिजा, आशीष, आयुष, एलीन, आई थिंक दैट आई हैव नॉट, माने आई मीन टू से मिस्ड अ सिंगल क्लास. एवरी क्लास वॉज देयर. मे बी कोई भी इशू, आई एम ऑल्सो अ फैमिली पर्सन, कोई ना कोई इशू तो आता ही है, बट आई हैव नेवर मिस्ड अ सिंगल क्लास. And for that reason we were very comfortably completing the syllabus in time. हम लोग बहुत टाइम पे कंप्लीट कर लिए थे. Because that tension you need to give me. Whether the syllabus will be completed or not, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. That is my lookout. If the extra classes are required other than Tuesday, Friday, my lookout. You don't have to take tension. You just need to understand I am a seasoned player, teaching ACCA for around 10 years, taught every subject at least other than taxation 7-8 times. हर सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पूरा डिटेल्ड नॉलेज है कि हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक, हाउ मच टाइम आई विल टेक टू टीच, मॉक पेपर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. यू जस्ट फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. डोंट टेक योर ब्रेन इनटू दैट वेदर द सिलेबस विल बी कंप्लीटेड और नॉट. डोंट टेक टेंशन, बिलीव मी, इफ यू कैन रिलाई ऑन मी. द सेकेंड थिंग, this is not a CA exam where before the exam 1.5 months, 2 months earlier syllabus will be completed. Why? Because in Indian exams you are giving 4, 5 subjects, 8 subject exam together. So the classes has to be completed in 1.5 months, 2 months earlier, so that in the last 1.5 months, you can revise all the 6, 7 or 4 subjects. But here you are studying one single subject, tax, 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 tax. So actually, I should be there tomorrow if exam, today also I should be there with you. Today also I should be teaching you taxation. So it is not that the classes will be completed 2 months before the exam, because 2.5 months is left for the exam. Then I should say today the syllabus finished. So it's a different structure. And the structure which I am following, I am getting a good success. Students are passing the exam very well. They are scoring rank also. So it's a proven successful strategy. So for that reason, आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि how much I will be completing the syllabus. Target is around 28th of May. 1 or 2 days here and there. And in the last 10 days, we will be doing mock papers and all that. We will be doing questions regularly when the topics are getting completed. But the entire mock paper we will be doing in last 10, 12 days. That's the same process I follow in every subject. If there will be extra classes required, will not be required. But if required, I might look out. Other than Tuesday, Friday, if anything required, I will be there. So from today, we will have around 20-25 classes. The timing is 7:30 a.m. This cannot change. Because if you see earlier, as I said, always, taxation subject है. I don't specialize in taxation and auditing. But मेरे को पढ़ाने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है taxation. Because feeling बहुत जोर की आती है. So maybe I am not a tax specialist, but I can bring very huge interest in the class. आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है, गारंटी है मेरे तरफ से. Coming 2.5 months, in the tax you will be bathing. Maybe I am not a specialist in tax, but this I can teach very well. Auditing के अंदर there are reservations. Still I gave so many practical examples, but ये मेरा area है. Even though I am not a specialist in taxation, but I can teach very well the taxation subject. Reason is only one, कि जब से मैंने आपको मेल किया है कि we will be starting taxation classes from 15th, तब से लेकर मैं जो आज पढ़ाना है 10 बार पढ़ चुका हूं, 10 times. एक एक चीज को मैंने 10 बार पढ़ लिया, मतलब यहां एकदम बैठा हुआ है. What examples, this, that, what I need to give. So hard working is there from my side. The same I expect from your side also. मैं 10 बार पढ़ने नहीं बोल रहा, लेकिन फिर भी, and you understand, I have already taught 3 times. तो 10 बार पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं थी. लेकिन when I am teaching, when I am reading again and again, I am enjoying. When you enjoy something, then you want to do that thing again and again. So that enjoyment I am getting whenever I am reading the taxation books of UK taxation. मजा आता है बहुत. So that maja I am feeling, and then I am reading again and again. So today also I get up at around 4:13 a.m. Then I started studying at 4:20. I completed reading everything which I studied already many times. Again reading किया मैंने, उतना मैं क्लास में पढ़ा नहीं पाऊंगा. But I read by around 6:40, then did my basic things, some eating and all that, bathing and all, and then I started the class. तो मैं I can do the class at 6 a.m. also. There is no problem. The question is that there are many students who are from outside India, different timing difference are there. तो ये एक adequate time है. Yesterday, there were around 10 to 12 students doing the class from UK. And time difference is 6 hours. 7:30 India means 1:30 UK. And those 10-12 students were doing the class from UK at 1:30 a.m. They completed the class at 4:30 a.m. Understand? अब पहले क्लास में जोश था, मे बी अदर थिंग, बट अगर वो ऐसा करेंगे तो मैं पास कराऊंगा उनको यार. इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक देम पास द एग्जाम. यू नीड टू जस्ट गिव मी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मी. आई एम नॉट डेलीगेटिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू यू. वट एवर आई विल से यू डू. यू डोंट हैव टू से दैट आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड फॉर 5-10 years. मैं आपको पास कराऊंगा, गारंटी है मेरी. आई विल मेक यू पास द एग्जाम, वेदर इट्स डिफिकल्ट और इजी, डजंट मैटर. आफ्टर द लाइव क्लास विल बी ओवर in next one day, even today only, but I am taking as one day. The class you can do recordings from the app and the software. App, mobile phone, and in the laptop, both the places you can do the recordings of the classes. If you find any problem in getting the recordings, videos are not running and all that, you will mail at our mail ID. You can connect with these numbers. We have taken one another number for technical queries. This is the new number we have taken 1 month back for technical queries. But all these numbers are in the office. They are mobile numbers, mobile phone, but they are in the office. And presently at 8:14 a.m., nobody is in the office. So if you are calling, nobody will pick up. If you are messaging, nobody is seeing. They will be coming the office at 10:20, but I am taking benefit of doubt to them, giving that they will come at 10:30. The office time is 10 to 7. But they always go on time, they come late. But I'm not bothered, because if they are efficient, once they enter the office, they are working efficiently, that's more important. So I'm taking 10:30 to 6:30. On Saturday, up till 4. If you connect with them for technical query, it will be better. You are messaging me, you are calling me. I'm not a technical person. I say in the first class, so don't disturb me. That's my request to all of you. If any technical issue, notes are not there, recordings are not running, videos are not running, उसके लिए लोग हैं. मैं आपसे connect करता हूं. That doesn't mean that for every small issue you will connect with me, because you have all the rights to connect with them. And if they are not picking the call, don't call me कि sir उन्होंने phone नहीं उठाया. If I will say that somebody is calling you now, are you picking the phone? That person will start shouting on you. Why you are not? You are doing something else. Means maybe you are in the washroom, maybe you are having लंच, डिनर, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो आप ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि इफ यू कॉल दे आर नॉट पिकिंग, दे आर बैड. अगर बैड होंगे तो वो सराफ के एक साथ काम नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज बैड पर्संस आई डोंट लाइक. आई एम रेडी टू डू द वर्क ऑन माई ओन, बट आई डोंट लाइक बैड पर्संस. सो दे आर वेरी इफिशियंट. आप कॉल किए, नहीं उठाए, आपको मेल करने में क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज द इश्यू दैट यू आर नॉट मेलिंग? यू मेल देम. मेल होने से मेरे को भी पता चल जाएगा यू हैव मेल्ड. अब मैं हूं, आपको मेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम ऑलवेज देयर ऑन देयर हेड, so that your work will be finished in time. You are not in my office WhatsApp group. If you see the entire one day, so many communications are there. that you can't imagine. So आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है, but just a request for every technical query, for any notes, video related, anything issue, you need to connect with them during office hours. If you are connecting with them on Saturday 5 o'clock, gone, Sunday gone, now your problem will be resolved on Monday only, because you need to treat them as a human being. Like you are human being, they are also human being. So आपको मेरे को इन चीजों के लिए डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. मैं बोलता हूं सबको फर्स्ट क्लास में, सब मेरे को ही करते रहते हैं, कभी कभी गुस्सा भी आता है, लेकिन क्या करूं यार कि आई एम सेइंग एवरीथिंग इन द फर्स्ट क्लास. बोलेगा हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग की है, लेकिन यार क्या रिकॉर्डिंग की है आप? दिस फर्स्ट क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग शुड बी डन 10 times. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू स्टडी. दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. देयर इज अ वीडियो अपलोडेड ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल yesterday. There is a student Samsuddin Meghjani, because we have started a new series of video on YouTube. Muhammad, you see that video, it will be better for you, so that he will be motivated everybody. लेकिन अब क्या है कि YouTube पे वीडियो अपलोड हुआ, आप अगर YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो आपको अच्छी बातें कैसे पता चलेगी? How you will get to know that this is the thing I should be knowing? So this is the video uploaded, just 20 minutes video. You can see what he is saying. मैंने उसको कुछ भी बोलने नहीं बोला है, बिलीव करिए विद्या कसम भाई, मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला कि तुम ये बोलो. He is saying all the things कि whatever Saraf sir say in first class, that's most important. कि भाई you need to study on screen, because normally we always complain that sir मेरा आदत नहीं है. I will take print out, I will do the working on pen and paper basis. Exam में computer based exam देना है. Just now I showed you that in exam we need to give computer based exam, and you were working on pen and paper the way you have worked in life. आप एग्जाम में पास नहीं होगे, गारंटी है. आपको पहले दिन से कोई प्रिंट आउट नहीं लेना है. यू डोंट हैव टू टेक एनी प्रिंट आउट. एवरीथिंग ऑन स्क्रीन. I am always saying in every batch, there is an Almira beside my computer laptop camera. I have not opened that Almira for more than 7 to 8 years. उसमें जो भी बुक्स है वो 7 साल 8 साल पहली है, अभी की नहीं है. Because I have made my life everything on mobile phone, on laptop, on computer. Because that's the rule of life. Now what I should do, whether it's any accounting job, administration job, communicating with staff, सब कुछ कंप्यूटर पे हो रहा है. So for that reason you need to change yourself. If you don't change, you will destroy yourself. So from the first day on your desktop, आप अपना डेस्कटॉप पे एक फोल्डर बनाएंगे, न्यू फोल्डर ACCA tax. The date is 14th March 2022. Okay, in this folder first of all what you will do, आप इस फोल्डर में सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? Now nobody should say that sir I have not yet received the notes and all that. Don't worry, after the class I will be again giving to all of you whether you have received or not. लेकिन आपको गूगल ड्राइव का नोट्स का लिंक दिया जाएगा. एवरीबडी ऑलरेडी गिवन और मे नॉट बी गिवन. डोंट वरी, इफ समबडी पेड यस्टरडे नाइट तो उसको तो नोट्स देने का टाइम है यार, देंगे. अभी आप पढ़ोगे कैसे? दिस ACCA tax. Where is ACCA tax? I am taking the link. Get the link. Why we are giving Google Drive link? Because the notes are bulky. They cannot be given one by one file. Compose the mail. Then tax notes giving to all the students. Better that I go here. Live class. Tax. So these are the students taken and then copy pasted all the mails. आप बोलोगे मेरे को नहीं मिला. कैसे हो सकता है कि नहीं मिला? Because in the class only in front of you only I have given mail to all of you. ये सबके पास मेल जा चुका है. You will receive maybe in 20 seconds. In this mail all the Google Drive link are there. If any mail is not delivered to a student, then in that case it will be said by Google that mail is not delivered. But सबके पास delivery हो गया है. You will be downloading this entire notes. आप ये जो टैक्स का नोट्स है, ये इंटायर नोट्स आप डाउनलोड करोगे. डाउनलोड कहां करोगे? Where you will download? In the folder. In this folder you will download, and you will be making a Word file along with that. Word file, self notes for June 2022. Like I have made a file in the class, the name of the class slides for June 2022. These slides I will be using regularly in the class, the same slide. Once the class is over, I will mail the slide to all of you. Once the second class is over, then I will mail the slides writing that slides up till second class, because I will not be using new slides. And always in the class, I will be writing so many things during teaching. You don't have to write anything. I will be giving you this slide once the class is over. Maybe sometimes before the class only, I will write something in the slides, because I'm reading from somewhere, I'm liking that, I want to make it, I want to teach that in the class. So I will be writing before the class only. But after the class, I will share this. You don't have to request. Everything, whatever I am writing, you will be getting continuously through the slides. Similarly, for your own study, you need to make your own slides. आपको अपना slide बनाना है. Make a font size around 20 better, so that you can see whatever. इस slide में क्या करना है आपको? करना क्या है? What I am saying. So I am saying that always try to attend the live class. Never miss. Don't give any alibi. बुखार हो गया, ये हो गया, कुछ नहीं चलेगा. कहीं जाना थोड़ी ना यार. चुपचाप से बैठ के सुबह पहले क्लास करनी है. कुछ भी हो क्लास करिए लाइव. बिकॉज बिलीव करिए, इवन टैक्सेशन में थोड़ा चेंजेस है, लेकिन लाइव क्लास की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू डू द ओल्ड बैच क्लासेस विच आई टॉट इन 2021 मार्च, चलेगा. स्टूडेंट स्कोर्ड वर्ल्ड रैंक सेकंड 96 मार्क्स बाय डूइंग द रिकॉर्डिंग क्लासेस ओनली. बिकॉज पहले वो नहीं पढ़ा उस समय जब मैंने क्लास ली, बाद में सितंबर में एग्जाम दिया, स्कोर्ड वर्ल्ड रैंक सेकंड 96 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100. सो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई विल बी टेलिंग व्हाट आर द चेंजेस, डोंट वरी. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अटेंड द लाइव क्लास. When the live class is over, do the recordings again. It's a must. It's a must. Whether you have understood everything in the class, तो भी आपको recording करना है. Because I am studying something 10 times than I am teaching. आपको एक बार में समझ में आ जाएगा, यानी कि आप तो भगवान ही हैं, you are God. I should say that I am a बेवकूफ. You have to do the recordings. If you have understood very well, maybe you can speed up the recording. 1.25 scale can be completed faster. Once the recording is done, then do the same thing which we have discussed in the class, the same problem, the same theory, same questions you will be doing on your own. आप बोलेंगे सर मैंने लाइव भी किया, रिकॉर्डिंग भी किया, अभी आप अपने आप करिए तो होएगा नहीं. Because you have done 2 times, I have done 10 times. Definitely you will not be able to solve. तो आप नया क्वेश्चन ट्राई करोगे, just that the class is over, you are going in wrong direction. Do the same thing which we have done in the class in your own word file. अपना वर्ड फाइल में करिए. और अगर वो न्यूमेरिकल्स है, इफ इट इज न्यूमेरिकल, तो आप अपना एक एक्सेल फाइल भी खोल लीजिए. ओपन योर एक्सेल फाइल, एक्सेल सीट ऑल्सो. एक्सेल सीट, इसका भी नाम दे दीजिए, रीनेम. June 2022 batch. Okay, this is your Excel sheet, because when in the exam you need to work on Excel, then in your regular study also you need to work on Excel. You will say that in the working environment I am doing. है भाई पढ़ाई में भी करना है. आपको पेन एंड पेपर जिंदगी में यूज नहीं करना है आज से. नो पेन एंड पेपर, एवरीथिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. आपको जो भी सॉल्व करना आप स्क्रीन पे सॉल्व कर. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं क्लास में सॉल्व करूंगा. आई विल बी मेकिंग इन माई क्लास ऑल्सो, देयर विल बी 2 फोल्डर. एक ये बनाया, एक एक्सेल. देयर इज अ क्लास स्लाइड्स and there is a Excel for tax for June 2022. When I will be solving numerical questions in the class for practice, for giving you feeling, I will be using this Excel, same Excel, not other. And these whenever I will be doing anything after the class, I will be mailing the entire slides to you. सिमिलरली आपके भी दोनों होना चाहिए। आपको प्रैक्टिस वैसे ही करना है फर्स्ट डे से, द वे द एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। आप अगर बोलोगे कि मेरे को ये अच्छा नहीं लगता, आप गलत बोल रहे हो, फिर आपको पास नहीं होना है। यू डोंट वांट टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स। आपको पास होना है, अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं। आपको खुद अपने आप वो सारी चीजें सॉल्व करनी होगी फर्स्ट, विच वी आर सॉल्विंग इन द क्लास। उसके बाद आप अपना वर्ड फाइल में नोट्स बनाइए, अपना नोट्स बनाइए। लाइक आई हैव रिटन हियर, यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस। आपको अपना नोट्स बनाना होगा। नोट्स मीन्स डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम क्लास स्लाइड्स, डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम एनी स्टडी मटेरियल, डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर। अपना राइट अप when you have understood a chapter, you have done the live class, you have done the recording, you have done the sums which we have solved in the class. कुछ तो समझ में आया होगा। Make your own notes. These your own notes you will be revising again after 10-15 days the same topic. आप उसको रिवाइज करोगे अपना नोट से। Now at the time of revision, no recording, nothing, no Kaplan, nothing. Why you have made your notes? If in a chapter there are 20 questions, you are liking 4 questions very well, then copy paste the question, the answer and everything, so that you don't have to go to Kaplan again after that. Till that time you don't make an habit making your own notes, you cannot become a successful student in life. Successful means maybe passing the exam or maybe not passing, but at least scoring rank. आपको कुछ भी करना है, अपना लिखना हो। Why I am making a new slide in the class? I can use previous batch slide. सब वही तो है। Why? Because I will not get the feeling in teaching if I don't write anything. तो आपको अपना नोट्स बनाना जरूरी है। उसके बाद then comes to other questions which we have not solved in the class. अब if I am teaching a topic, in the topic say there are 20 questions. I have discussed 5-7 questions in the class. Those 5-7 questions you have solved, you have made your notes. अब उसके बाद उसके अंदर और 10-12 क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप उसको सॉल्व करिए सारे। when you are solving sorry, when you are solving this question, don't see the answer, because you have done the live class, you have done the recording, you have done the questions which we have solved in the class, you have made your notes. That means topic is studied. तो आपसे वो दूसरे क्वेश्चन बनने चाहिए। जब आप ये सब करोगे तो automatically you will be able to solve other questions also. But maybe in some of the questions you are not understanding. क्या होगा? Because that is not solved in the class. After your solution, you will be solving your question in your Word file, in your Excel file. After solving, you have to see the answer, that analyze where you are doing wrong. 99% you will understand what mistake you are doing. But if something you are not understanding, even after seeing the solution, the confusions are there, then you will be asking in the class. Now I am teaching a particular topic. You can ask question after 2 months. But if you are asking question after 2 months, that means what? That means when the topic was taught, you have not completed the topic properly. So the problems will be there in the exam. And because for this, you don't have to study 10 hours. I will be telling you how many hours you need to study. So I mean to say that if in a topic I have completed, आपको next week के पहले सब कुछ यहां तक complete करना है. And your queries, whatever your queries, maybe you are not able to attend the live class, maybe family issue, job issue, this, that, लेकिन आप वो query मेरे को भेजोगे. कैसे? You will not say that, sir, go in page number 20, go in page number 30. This is the page number. You can take a screenshot of anything from on the screen, anything. You take a screenshot of this screen. How? On your keyboard, in the last row, there is a window tab. Click that window tab. And on the top row, there is a print screen. When you click both of this and you just paste it here, then entire thing which is here is pasted here. So you will take the screenshot of the question, paste in the Word file. Screenshot of the institute answer, paste in the Word file. Your answer, write. Your query, write. Then ask the questions in the class. You cannot ask, I am not able to do this. अरे यार आप पढ़े हैं, कुछ तो हो रहा होगा. Because I need to know where you are facing problem. Then only I can help you. If you are not telling me that you are saying me I cannot solve this question, आप गलत करके मेरे को दिखाओ. I am doing this so that I can help you, that you are not understanding this area. And I will be discussing in the class maybe 2 hours the same question, because I am not taking tension whether the syllabus will finish or not. Somebody will say that sir ये doubt तो इसका है, दूसरे को जरूरत नहीं है. मैं जब उसको डिस्कस करूंगा, everybody in the class will be getting benefit. Maybe the doubt is of Ayush, but when I will discuss in the class, it will be giving benefit to all of you, guarantee. मैं इस तरह से उसको डिस्कस करूंगा, दायां बायां 360 degree, that so many things will be covered with that question. For that reason, I am not taking tension, because when I am clearing a doubt, then it's not one student doubt. With that doubt, I am getting a feeling. This is the problem with the student. They are not understanding this, how to correlate and all that. So we discuss the doubts for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. जो लोग भी पहले से क्लास किए उनको ये फीलिंग आता होगा कि सपोज आयुष इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन ऑन ऑडिटिंग कि सर मैंने ये आंसर लिखा है, मैं केवल आयुष को थोड़ी ना बता रहा हूं, आई एम सेइंग टू द इंटायर क्लास. तो सबका डाउट एक साथ क्लियर हो रहा है, बिकॉज अदरवाइज वाई वी आर इन द बैच. So you will not have any personal doubt left. If the question is asked by Ayush, when I will explain, everybody doubts will be cleared. If the question is asked by Eileen, when I will explain, everybody doubts will be clear. आपके पास कुछ पर्सनल पूछने के लिए बचेगा ही नहीं. अगर आप मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करोगे, you have to follow me. If you are thinking that I am saying wrong, follow for 10 days. After that you don't like, don't follow. गारंटी है कि आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगेगा. मे बी यू आर एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट, बिलो एवरेज, यू विल बिकम अबव एवरेज, बट आपको मेरी बात माननी होगी ना. सो स्क्रीन इतना बोलने के बाद भी वी ऑलवेज सी दैट इन द क्लास स्टूडेंट से सर गो इन पेज नंबर 20, सर आई कुड नॉट. इसका मतलब आपको बात फिर से नहीं मानना है. मतलब हर लेवल पे एक एक बात नहीं मानने से उसका अफेक्ट होता है कि एग्जाम में मान लीजिए अच्छा नहीं गया, बढ़िया से पढ़े थे, वो सब उसका रिजल्ट है. कि अगर शुरू से बात मानेंगे, शुरू से प्रोसेस फॉलो करेंगे, देखते हैं एग्जाम में नंबर 90 आता है कि नहीं. आई वॉन्ट एवरी स्टूडेंट शुड बी स्कोरिंग 90+. इज नॉट दैट आई एम टीचिंग ओनली टू आयुष, ओनली टू आशीष, ओनली टू अद्रिजा. आई एम टीचिंग टू एवरीबडी द सेम थिंग. वाई दैट समबडी कैन बी बेटर देन मी इन द क्लास? वाई? आई शुड बी थिंकिंग अलोंग दीज लाइन्स. जितने भी लोग क्लास में हैं, ये सोचने की जरूरत है, वाई दैट दिस स्टूडेंट इज बेटर देन मी? वाई? He is getting extra support from sir? Nothing. Why he is better than me? Why that anybody can teach better than me? I should be thinking. Because it is not a fight. It is that when I am doing the same thing which others are doing, how can they be better than me, than what I am doing in life? That competitiveness we need to develop. अगर नहीं डेवलप करेंगे तो गड़बड़ होगा भाई. So screenshot of question, institute answer, your answer. आप बोलेंगे सर मेरे को कुछ जो भी आ रहा है लिखना होएगा, आंसर आपको अपना लिख कर देना होएगा. एंड देन योर क्वेरी, because if you are studying something, you have done the live class, you have done the recorded class, you have solved the same thing, you have written your notes. आप इस लेवल पे पहुंच चुके हैं कि आप क्वेश्चंस को प्रॉपरली बता सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज योर क्वेरी. आप वो क्वेरी को बताकर मेल करोगे, भेजोगे. यू डोंट हैव टू रिमाइंड मी सर आई सेंड मेल, माई क्वेरीज आर देयर. मैं 24 घंटा मेल पर हूं, 24 आवर. रात को उठते वक्त भी 1 or 2 times when I am getting up, I am checking mail. My family members are saying you are mad, but whatever. It's my, you can say, my thinking process. तो आपको याद नहीं दिलाना है सर मैंने मेल किया है. Whether you were there in the class or not, then in that case I will open your mail, I will discuss your query. Suppose on one day I am not discussing query, मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूं कि today I am not doing this query because there is other objective. I will discuss the query maybe at the end of the class, maybe next class. ऐसा बोलता हूं मैं कभी कभी, because एक objective लेकर क्लास में आते. Suppose I am teaching inheritance tax, slightly difficult area in taxation, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि उस दिन कोई query डिस्कस ना हो. एक बार properly inheritance tax we should understand, then we will think about query at the end of the class or next day. ऐसा कभी कभी होता है. But normally whenever the queries are there, first of all I deal with the query, then only proceed further. As I am saying, I will be taking say around 23 classes of 3 hours each. So it will be coming, say, around 70 hours. And mock test and checking the mock test, I take around 10 to 15 hours, which is not a class, because when everybody write the answer, to check the answer, normally it takes at least 1 hour for one copy. So 1 hour, if the 10 students have written the answer, 10 hour, then preparing a mock paper and all that. So that's is actually the hardcore teaching is 70 hours. A student need to study on its own, you can say 70 hours. आप ऐसा ही समझ लीजिए 80 hours, 80. So what is the total hour? 160 hours study including the classes. 160 hours study including the classes. 160 hours. We are standing on 15th of March. Say exam is beyond 5th June. I don't remember approximately. So we are having how many days? 80 days. 80 days left today. In 80 days, 160 hours. So it is 2 hours every day. 2 hours every day. You will say that, sir, my brain is not good. Do I need to study more? No, sir. आप अगर वर्ल्ड रैंक लाना चाहते हो, पास होना चाहते हो, एवरेज माइंड है, बिलो एवरेज है, 2 घंटे ही पढ़ना है. But what is that 2 hour study? The 2 hour study means nobody can disturb you. Mobile phone close. Tell to your family members, अभी 2 घंटा आप नहीं है. Room closed. A concentrated study. Every day 2 hours a concentrated study. I feel that 2 hours concentrated study possible either very early morning 4:30 or very late night 12:30 1 o'clock. बिकॉज ये 2 टाइम पे आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब करना भी चाहे करता नहीं है. तो या तो आपको रात को जगने का आदत है, रात को 1 o'clock 1:30 स्टडी अप टिल 3:30. बट देन इन दैट केस आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू डोंट हैव टू गो ऑफिस, यू आर अ प्योर स्टूडेंट. तो आप 4 o'clock तक पढ़ेंगे, 4 से लेकर 10 o'clock 11 o'clock सोइए, नो इश्यू. बट इफ यू आर ऑफिस गोअर पर्सन, then in that case start getting up in the morning 4:30 5 o'clock. Most 5 to 7 you study. And then 7 o'clock you start getting ready and all that, go to office. लेकिन आपको ये 2 टाइम में से ही पढ़ना होगा. दिन में इवन दो यू आर ए स्टूडेंट, इवन दो यू आर वर्किंग है तो ऑलरेडी दिन में टाइम नहीं है. स्टूडेंट दिन में मूवी देखिए, मजा करिए, फ्रेंड के साथ खेलिए, उनको लगेगा यार ये तो कभी पढ़ता ही नहीं है. और नंबर यू आर स्कोरिंग मोर, दे विल थिंक दैट यू आर फैंटास्टिक पर्सन. दुनिया को ये भी तो थोड़ा लगे कि वी आर गेटिंग द मार्क्स विदाउट स्टडी ओनली, दैट वी आर स्टडिंग conceptual basis at a time when nobody can disturb. So for that reason I get up early in the morning, because कोई मैसेज करेगा कैसे मेरे को डिस्टर्ब करेगा. अब जब आफ्टर 10:30 11 o'clock so many messages, so many inquiries, so many student queries are there, इधर में ये फैमिली, my son this that, so many this, पढ़ाई नहीं हो सकता. At that time I can't study. If I am studying in the morning in 2 hours, I will not be able to study that thing in the afternoon time even in 6 hours. उसना में भी complete नहीं होएगा. So why I will waste my time? Why I will show them I am studying? I will show them I am not studying, still I am teaching fantastic. ऐसा होना पड़ेगा ना, कि दुनिया को क्यों पता चले कि what you are doing. So you have to do this. क्लास मॉर्निंग में उठने का अगर तकलीफ है 2 दिन, घर पे बोल कर रखिए कि since 7:30 is the class, at 7:15 they will put 1 glass of water on your face. You will automatically get up. And why they are doing? For the benefit of yours only. आपके ऊपर 1 बाल्टी पानी गिरा देंगे, 1 bucket, that you get up at 7:15 anyhow. If you are from Dubai, Middle East, around 1.5 hour earlier, so 6 o'clock, that means around 5:50 somebody will do this. 2 दिन करेंगे, तीसरे दिन आप खुद सुधर जाएंगे. My son, you can say for the time being the class, his school starts at around 8:30. But he has this tendency, he will not get up. So 6:30 से मैं चालू हो जाता हूं. पानी तो नहीं गिरा था because he is 9 years old. But 6:30, because I finish my study at 6:30. From 6:30 to 7:30, these work and all that. So उसको 6:30 से चालू करते हैं, 6:45 तक वो उठ जाता है. 7:30 when I am starting the class, he is ready for this class. His class is at 8:30, 1 hour earlier every day. अभी स्कूल चालू हो रहा है, फिजिकल क्लासेस आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, उसको घर से 7:30 पे निकलना होएगा, 7:15, 20, तो ऑलरेडी वो तैयार है उसके लिए. I mean to say that if there is a problem in your life, you can't get up in the morning, give the responsibility to somebody else who is your well-wisher, who will be doing this. Because joining the class at 8:15, 8:30, and then I join late and all that, why you will do that? You are working because 80% student working. That doesn't mean that you will not study and you will not follow the instructions. Because agar aapko ye karna hai, to you have given money to me, you are wasting your time and money both. You have to follow the instructions which I am saying. Every instruction is important. Every instruction, not only study. So nobody can say that I cannot study 2 hours in a day. 2 hours in a day you can study. Suppose on one day you are feeling very fatigued, office work was very high, family issues were there, you study half an hour. Now that day, 1.5 hours each you need to make up on some other day. That means in a week of 7 days, you need to study 14-15 hours. अब आपको वो 14-15 hours कैसे मैनेज करना है, ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप कहां फ्री रहते हो, कहां पर आप कर सकते हो. जब आप पढ़ोगे आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं अभी क्लास ले रहा हूं, कोई मेरे को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकता है, अलाउड नहीं है. Because I am concentrating on something, how I can be disturbed by somebody for something illogical? ऐसे तो कुछ ना कुछ चलते ही रहेगा. Study means study, not anything else. Because these things are important. We will say after 1 month, sir, I am not giving exam in June. Why? Because in 30 days, 2 hours each, 60 hours study I am asking. And out of 60 hours, you are studying only 2-3 hours. 1-2 क्लास किए बगैर है, the next batch I will do. जब ये कभी नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट बैच, नेक्स्ट टर्म जिंदगी में कभी नहीं आना है. बस वो हैबिट बन जाएगा. यू हैव गिवन मनी, दैट इज वेस्टेड. यू हैव गिवन टाइम, दैट इज वेस्टेड. एंड यू विल थिंक दैट मेरे से एसीसी नहीं होएगा. सिंपल नहीं है, बट वी विल मेक इट मोर इजियर इफ वी फॉलो द कमिटमेंट, प्रोफेशनलिज्म, गाइडेंस विच आई एम गिविंग एवरीथिंग. सो नोबडी विल हैव एनी क्वेश्चन वंस आई विल आस्क. कुछ पूछना है अभी रुकिए, आई एम टेलिंग. देन कम्स as far as how we are going to complete the different topics in the class. Which I shared many times with all of you. Somebody will say that mere ko nahi mila. Again I will say why you are not joining in the Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel, if you join, then in that case, message delivery failure will not happen. WhatsApp में 50% messages are not getting delivered. So you need to join in our Telegram channel also, so that you will be getting updates regularly. But अब कुछ बात सुनेंगे नहीं तो कैसे होएगा यार. 1 second, where is tax? Tax schedule. ये मैंने schedule exactly वही लिखा है जो मैंने लास्ट बैच में पढ़ाया था, सब वही छाप दिया है. Basics of IT and UK residential status, property, income, employment, income, this. The same topics are there, some here and there, some amendments are there. But ये सारी classes कितनी हुई है? 24th class. और अब देखिए, by 21st class everything was finished. Mock papers मैं 3 classes में करा रहा था. हो सकता है कि 21 के बदले 22 लग जाए, हो सकता है 20 में ही हो जाए. How I will say. But मोटा मोटी everything will finish in around 20 classes. और 2-3 क्लास में हम लोग mock test वगैरह करेंगे. This is the syllabus. This is already shared with all of you. Again and again, mail में भी मैंने दिया है. वही चीज मैं यहां खोला हूं. So I will be following this topic by topic study. आपको क्या करना है? Suppose today class is over. You will be getting the recordings by today evening, as I said. Even though this is a general discussion, but ये general discussion ही तो सबसे ज्यादा important है. बिकॉज आप यही बातें बाद में पूछते हो जो मन को बहुत चोट लगती है कि यार जनरल बात भी 50 बार पूछ रहा है. सो फॉर दैट रीजन डू द रिकॉर्डिंग्स. से टुडे यू हैव स्टडीड द लाइव क्लास. आज का कोटा खत्म. टुमारो यू विल डू द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ दिस क्लास. व्हेन टुमारो यू विल डू द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ दिस क्लास, देन डे आफ्टर टुमारो, बिकॉज दिस इज ट्यूजडे, सो वेडनेसडे यू आर डूइंग द रिकॉर्डिंग्स. देन थर्सडे आप उस रिकॉर्डिंग के बेसिस पे जो भी चीज क्लास में कराया वो खुद सॉल्व करोगे. थर्सडे आप खुद सॉल्व करोगे. हो सकता है कभी कभी ज्यादा चीज नहीं कराया गया, सॉल्यूशन 1 घंटे में हो गया. हो सकता है आई सॉल्व सो मेनी थिंग्स, सो यू टेक इंटायर 2 hours, डिपेंड करता है. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग मेक योर नोट्स आइदर ऑन थर्सडे और मे बी फ्राइडे तो क्लास है ही है, ऑन सैटरडे आप थर्सडे का सैटरडे नोट्स बनाओगे एंड देन यू कैन से दैट जो क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व नहीं किए आप उन क्वेश्चंस को संडे सॉल्व करोगे, मंडे सॉल्व करोगे और आप ट्यूसडे की क्लास के पहले उसका जो भी डाउट्स है यू विल बी सेंडिंग मी। फिर उसके बाद वापस से वेडनेसडे वाली क्लास का वेडनेसडे तक आपका डाउट आ जाएगा। यानी कि आपको ऐसा कुछ, इफ यू फॉलो रेगुलर स्टडी you will not find that 2 hours is less. Effective study of 2 hours is more than enough to score 100 out of 100. Because tax में ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो 100 out of 100 भी लाए हैं। Tax and FR are the two subjects where the marks in ACCA were 100 out of 100 also. Tax and FR, no other subject. So you can score 100 out of 100 also by studying 2 hours. आप बोलोगे सर my brain is less, my English is not good. भाई this is English exam नहीं है और आपका ब्रेन लेस है, मैं तो आपको एकदम बच्चे की तरह समझा रहा हूं ना। आई विल बी टीचिंग यू एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम बेसिक्स, सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम दैट आई डोंट हैव नॉलेज एंड ऑल, एंड आई एम आस्किंग यू, यू आस्क एनी क्वेरी वट एवर यू हैव इन द क्लास ओनली। वाई देयर इज पर्सनल क्वेरी? आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग योर क्वेरी विथ एवरीबडी। इफ आई एम सेइंग समथिंग इन द क्लास सम टाइम मे बी बैड, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा यार। जस्ट मेरा नॉर्मली ये बोलना है कि आप सारी चीजें मेरे फॉलो में, द वे आई एम सेइंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, गिविंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, यू डू दैट। आई विल सी दैट वेदर यू विल पास और नॉट, आई विल सी दैट वेदर यू आर स्कोरिंग गुड मार्क्स और नॉट। लेकिन पहले क्लास से फॉलो करना होगा, बाद में फॉलो करने से नहीं चलेगा। फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्लास यू नीड टू फॉलो। नाउ द मटेरियल्स फॉर टैक्सेशन एग्जाम आर रेलिवेंट। द मटेरियल विच आई हैव गिवन यू, this one, this material, you can see that this material is relevant for February 2020, I mean to say 2020 Finance Act, which was relevant till March 2021 exam. But from June 2022 exam, the Finance Act 2021 is applicable. This material is 2020. Now, in India, I am not getting the material of, what I should say, न्यू फाइनेंस एक्ट 2021। मार्केट में इंडिया में जो पब्लिशर्स हैं उनके पास मटेरियल अवेलेबल नहीं है। यू विल से सर देयर आर 2 मटेरियल्स, कापलान बीपीपी। मेरे को बीपीपी नहीं लेना है, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन कापलान मटेरियल, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इन द इंडियन पब्लिशर्स द 2021 मटेरियल। मे बी इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल बिकॉज जस्ट नाउ द जून टर्म स्टार्ट्स, तो हो सकता है 10-12 दिन बाद आ जाएगा। लेकिन इसके अलावा मैंने आप लोग सबको एक मेल किया है। Why that mail is given, that also I am communicating, then I will proceed further. This is not the mail I have given only to tax students. This is a mail given to all ACCA students, those who are doing the live classes for the time being for any subject. After that, I am going to send this mail those who have completed a subject, not given the exam and everything. What I have written: in our constant endeavor to support students with the best resource, we are entering into a long-term arrangement with the Kaplan Publishing House to provide you with latest study resources at a special standard subsidized price. Please note you will continue to get the current study support and resources from Saraf Academy. Matlab, if you say that, sir, this material is old, when I will be writing here in the slides, whatever the changes are there in any question as per the 2020 material, maybe there is a amount change, maybe there is a percentage change, maybe the answer change, I will be writing here. That means this material I will be making 2021 material already. मैं जब क्लास में पढ़ाऊंगा मैं सब कुछ अभी के हिसाब से पढ़ाऊंगा as per new norms, new things which I got from ACC and all that, सब जगह से लेकर, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है। But then why we should be purchasing extra material? Please note you will continue to get the current study resources which you are getting from Saraf Academy, which is included in the fees. This also which I am saying could have been included in the fees if the cost would have been within 500. But the cost is high and I am not in a position to bear this cost for every student. But why I am suggesting to all of you, new Kaplan kit has the following inclusions. Grab your kit: study text, exam kit. Suppose this is not tax exam, suppose this is auditing exam. तो इंस्टीट्यूट का जो स्टडी मटेरियल होता है, दे आर रेगुलरली अपग्रेडिंग द मटेरियल्स. Many times we are using the material which is 6 months, 1 year old. the study material, study text which is recent published, schedule of key changes. Regularly they will update the changes, all latest amendments. There are key comments and additional mock papers also from there. So all these things are not possible to be covered in these resources. For that we need to acquire, or when we are using on this file, this is study material, suppose this is 21 also, I cannot write anything here, मैं कुछ लिख नहीं सकता हूं, but in this is a PDF file, but this can be used for writing your notes, making your notes, highlighting, वहीं पर question solve हो जाएगा. It is teaching like that. So I mean to say that that will be beneficial for everybody, and at the same time it will be relevant for 18 to 24 months. They are saying 1 year, but generally the validity they extend for at least 6 months. Not now, maybe, but मैं actually इसको after 3 months compulsory करने वाला हूं सब स्टूडेंट लोगों के लिए, because I think that these resources are very helpful for the student to score good marks. Not that कि we are not giving resources, उससे स्टूडेंट अभी तक पढ़ते ही थे, पास हो ही रहे थे. We are, as I said, becoming platinum partner, सब हो ही रहे, तो प्रेजेंट प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन और है लेवल हाई. I think that whenever I am teaching something, I can teach much better. I can do better. Similarly, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है हर स्टूडेंट को ये मटेरियल खरीदना चाहिए. रीजन बीइंग दैट, एक तो इसका प्राइस इज 57 पाउंड, यू कैन चेक. Maybe at a student level you can get a discount of 30%, but we have been able to negotiate with them 60% discount. Or future में when the volume will increase, maybe we will be able to reduce it further, but अभी वो नहीं मान रहे. If it is coming within 1000, then it will be offered by Saraf Academy free. But till the time the prices are coming beyond 1000, it is not free. So it's not a compulsion, because compulsion will be there from the next batch when I will be telling. But अभी मैंने compulsion नहीं किया है, अभी मैंने सबको प्रमोट किया है कि आप ये मटेरियल सेपरेटली खरीदिए, कि वन सब्जेक्ट का मटेरियल जो खरीदेंगे उससे आपको बहुत फायदा होएगा. You will be able to work better on the syllabus, on the course matter, which we are not able to get that. That is my advice to all of you, no foundation. Because आप मन में सोचेंगे सर मैं ये पैसे क्यों दूंगा, तो मैं बोल रहा हूं मेरे तरफ से आपको सारे मटेरियल क्लासेस मिल रही है, लेकिन जो यहां पर होगा वो मेरे तरफ से कभी नहीं मिल सकता है. रीजन बीइंग दैट Kaplan has 100 to 100 teachers writing the material regularly. तो उनके पास जो resources है वो मेरे पास available नहीं है. It's not that I cannot make this, but then it's a different story altogether. So we can say that if we buy this material, definitely you can see the difference what it is giving in your outcome. बिकॉज आपको चीजें और बेटर मिलेगी, और बेटर समझ में आएगा, आप प्रैक्टिस बेटर कर पाएंगे, मोर क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे, दैट फीलिंग यू विल बी गेटिंग. सो दैट्स अपॉन यू. बट इवन दो टिल द टाइम आई एम नॉट गेटिंग फाइनेंस एक्ट 2021 मटेरियल, आई एम यूजिंग दिस मटेरियल, बट वेयर एवर द चेंजेस आर देयर, मैं वो सब कुछ आपको क्लास में स्लाइड में, जैसे मैंने आज के लिए पहले से ही लिख के रखा है, पहले से ही लिख के रखा है. So when I will be discussing the questions and all that, I will be using the new slab, new rate, new things, everything. The last thing before anybody has any question, the last thing. In ACCA exams, you can see in the left hand side below, there is a tax tables. It is not like Indian exams. So यहां पर जो भी परसेंटेज है, रेट्स है, स्लैब्स है, दैट इज गिवन इन द एग्जाम हॉल फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर रेफरेंस. स्टूडेंट को कुछ याद करके नहीं जाना है. दे आर सेइंग दैट द स्टूडेंट विल गेट इंटायर टैक्स स्लैब, रेट्स, जो भी चेंजेस आया ये सब मिलेगा. ये कौन से साल का है? ऑन इंस्टीट्यूट वेबसाइट ऑल्सो दिस इज फाइनेंस एक्ट 2020. दिस इज नॉट फाइनेंस एक्ट 2021. ये जहां भी जो भी पेपर्स अभी एसीसी के वेबसाइट पे है, मेरे ख्याल से एसीसी इंस्टीट्यूट विल नॉट बी एबल टू चेंज देम फाइनेंस एक्ट 2021 बाय जून एग्जाम, नहीं कर पाएंगे वो. यानी कि सब जगह हम लोग को चेंजेस अप्लाई करते रहना पड़ेगा. वट एवर द न्यू स्लैब, ये सारा वही है जो बुक मैं अभी क्लास में यूज कर रहा हूं, फाइनेंस एक्ट 2020. बिकॉज नॉर्मली nobody is so ready that they will be able to publish everything as per Finance Act 2021 for June exam. But you don't have to take tension. I will be teaching everything as per the new norms. But वो जो new norm है वो आपको याद नहीं करना है. The slab, percentage, everything will be given in the exam. If you forget something, you can check कि भाई slab क्या है. In the India, what is income tax slab? Up till what income the tax is zero? Anybody knows? In India, just a general knowledge. If you don't know, there is no issue. But in India, if the income is within this limit, there is no tax. कितना income तक है? And then after 2,50,000, after 2,50,000, and then after that, I don't think so ये है रेट. मेरे ख्याल से 10% है ना, 5 लाख के ऊपर 10%. I also don't remember. I think in India 5 लाख के ऊपर it is 10% ना. 5 लाख तक तो कोई टैक्स नहीं है यार. कहाँ है? No. Maybe I am wrong. I am not fighting for this because मेरे को ध्यान नहीं है अभी. क्योंकि since as I said I am not a tax person as far as technically is concerned, but I can teach taxation very well because मेरे को feeling बहुत आता है. ठीक है? But I am not a tax specialist. So I mean to say that जैसे इंडिया में स्लैब है, when you go in Indian exams, Indian BCom taxation exam, CA exam, CW, आपको रेट्स वगैरह देता नहीं एग्जाम में. यहां सब कुछ दिया रहता है. All the percentage slab changes and all that are given in the exam hall. You can refer them during the exam if you have any confusion. आप उनको रेफर कर सकते हैं. You can say that open book exam. As far as the percentage, amount, slabs, any changes, that is open book exam. So they are focusing on concept. They are not focusing on memorizing the slab, percentage and all that. वो लोग वो नहीं बोलते. तो for the time being तो मेरे पास 2021 वाला material नहीं है. Once ready, I will share with all of you. You don't have to take tension. But जो हम लोग resources use करते हैं, कापलान में buy करने से बहुत कुछ मिलेगा जो हम use नहीं कर पाते. Then in that case, we will be able to increase our level of study, practice and all that, and we will be able to score good marks. And maybe you can think of buying for one subject. Later on, if you are not finding the value, you can stop buying for another subject. That's your call. I have mailed this. मैंने ड्राफ्ट मेल बहुत सोच सोच कर किया, बहुत समझा कर किया कि भाई स्टूडेंट को समझ में आया, और फिर मैं क्लासेस में भी बोल रहा हूं. There is no pressure that you need to buy the material from my side. I will be sharing everything, but what is covered in the Kaplan resources, that cannot be shared in the class. Because otherwise, they will be offering that at 500 rupees I could have purchased for every student. Okay? So that's the thing. Now, before starting the syllabus, anybody has any question? Muhammad, yeah, any other student? Before proceeding, anybody has any doubt? Anything to ask? This material you are talking, I think you are talking about this. You cannot download as PDF, but it is workable as online, offline both. मतलब जो वो लोग लिंक देंगे उससे वो ऑफलाइन, मोबाइल फोन सब पे चलेगा, ऑफलाइन मोड में. और वो PDF नहीं है, उस पे वर्किंग कर सकते हैं आप, सामने सामने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वैसे इट्स टाइप ऑफ वर्कबुक. With the question, the sites are given, you can highlight this, that. जैसे Kindle होता है. Have you opened any book on Kindle? एक बोलते हैं वो लोग कोर टैक्स या कोरेक्स क्या बोलते हैं, which is a platform where the file can be worked the way you like, but it is not downloadable. I said na, Jyoti, that the exam will be around 5th of June. For that reason, I considered 80 days. It is not 5th June, maybe 6th or 7th June. नहीं पता है मेरे को. अच्छा वो भी चेक कर लेते हैं यार, देख लीजिए. आइए द एग्जाम डेट ना, all the exam dates are mentioned on the ACCA website. Exams. Under exams, remote exam, what to do, book your exam, book now. एक बार ऐसे ही जाते हैं, एक बार इसी में चले जाते हैं ऐसे ही. Now for June term, for June 2022. This is professional level, skills module. इसमें पेमेंट हो जाएगा यार, सॉरी. आई नीड टू गो इनटू, one second, exam timetable, sorry, exam timetable. Now this is March 2022, June 2022. The taxation exam 6th to 10th June, so it is 7th June. 6th June is Monday, the Monday auditing and assurance, and 7th June taxation exam. Okay, 7th June, exam date is 7th June. So it is not tentative, it is fixed. Institute is not going to change. They have always the fixed schedule for exam. And all other subjects exams we can check here. सबका पांचों पूरे वीक एग्जाम होता है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे. जस्ट दैट इन प्रोफेशनल लेवल देयर आर लेस सब्जेक्ट्स, तो एग्जाम्स थोड़ा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. बट ये 5 दिन में एग्जाम खत्म होता है. तो टैक्स एग्जाम इज ऑन ट्यूसडे 7th of June. Then anything else? Anybody has any other doubt before proceeding? Muhammad, you were asking earlier some doubts relating to failure and all that. Any question now? Fatafat, please. Okay. So now we are proceeding further.